Can someone confirm if I'm audible now? Loud and clear. Still no audio. Still no audio. Oh God, what's wrong? Yes, yes, yes. Oh, okay. Not able to hear. Audible. Perfect. Okay, is it good now? I changed the settings. No. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Finally we are good. Sorry, I was in other meeting, so because of that I could not join on time. So first of all, apologies. The previous meeting got extended. I couldn't skip it. It was very important one. So I hope you people understand. We can get started now. Don't worry, we will do the usual 1 hour live session. Even though it is late, I'll try to be there. So today's live stream is a very formal one. We will just go through the chat section. I will interact with you. Unlike the last one, because in the last one I reviewed your profiles. In case someone did not go through that live stream, I would highly recommend it. It's a very good one. Okay, so now let's take some questions. Okay, this is a very interesting one and also very important one at this point. Hmm. What is the future of Kubernetes? Uh, I would tell you that whether you are in development, DevOps, anything, you should learn fundamentals of Kubernetes. If you are a DevOps engineer, SRE engineer, obviously you should master it. But Kubernetes is very, very important because today your software applications get deployed on Kubernetes. Even ML workloads are getting deployed on Kubernetes. If you look at platforms like Kubeflow, even MLflow people prefer to deploy the workloads on Kubernetes, and even large language models. Even companies like OpenAI, they deploy their workloads or large language models on Microsoft Azure AKS. So you can understand how important is Kubernetes. Irrespective of the stream that you are in, irrespective of workloads that you are dealing with, you should learn Kubernetes. And it's going to be the future, no question about it. The experts say Kubernetes is operating system for cloud native. So just like Linux is the operating system for traditional applications, they say Kubernetes is considered as an operating system for cloud native and even for AI and ML workloads. So that is how important Kubernetes is. Okay. Will AI replace job? To some extent, obviously. It will not replace the complete jobs, but it would replace some people. That is obvious. Whenever there is a revolution, quite obviously some people will be impacted. Even with the AI revolution, some people will be impacted, no questions about it. But what you can do to be not impacted, probably, instead of being afraid of it, start using AI, because with AI lot of things get simple. So that is one thing that you can do. How to get interviews after completing date. So for people who don't know what is DATA, so D stands for DevOps Zero to Hero, A stands for AWS or Azure, and T stands for Terraform. And there is also Python playlist. So once you complete all of these, usually I say that you are ready for the interviews. And all of these things are available for free on our YouTube channel. Now the question is how to get interviews after completing the date playlist. Very simple. One, you can go with the traditional approach. You can start uploading your profile on the job portals. For example, Naukri, Indeed, Foundate, right? These are the portals where you can apply. In your country, if there are any portals, you can also go through it. But otherwise, the very, very important one is LinkedIn. Try to be active on LinkedIn. I think I told this million times, but I will tell this again. Try to be active on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the social media platform for job searching. The better your profile on LinkedIn is, not only jobs, you can get freelancing, you can get your clients, you can also get, you know, others content marketed, something like I also do on LinkedIn, right? So you can earn multiple ways from LinkedIn. I will do a session if possible. What are the different ways how you can earn from LinkedIn? But the question, I mean, to be very specific to the question, uh, LinkedIn is one of the platform. Apart from that, you can go through the traditional job portals. How to prepare for CCAT exam, Certified Kubernetes Application Developer. So CCAT, I would say choose wisely. Do you want to go with CKA or do you want to go with CKAD? Because CK is more of DevOps engineers kind of certification, Certified Kubernetes Administrator. CKAD is, more for people who wants to deal with developing controllers on Kubernetes, or who wants to deal with more of cloud native thing. So do you want to go with CKA or CKAD? Start with CKA. That is my recommendation. People have different opinions about it, but personally, I would say start with CKA if you want to do certifications, because CKA has a very long syllabus, and if you do CKA, 60% of CCAD is covered. So that is my opinion. And how to prepare for CCAT? There are many options, right? I think even Code Cloud is doing great there. They are conducting some cohorts. So you can also go through a Code Cloud cohort where there are other people who are preparing for Kubestronaut, other people preparing for CCAD. Otherwise, you can also go through our Kubernetes playlist. There are 35 videos, lot of things are covered. Take the CCAD syllabus, watch our videos. Whatever things that are not covered, you can go through the Kubernetes documentation. Okay, there is an interesting question here. How do I know I'm fully grounded with date playlist? Um, how do I know I'm ready? And what is your advice on how to utilize the date for optimum understanding? How do you know you are ready? Basically, there are a lot of projects in it. If you're able to complete the projects, that means you are ready. A lot of people go through the videos, but they skip the projects. But if you go through all of them, DevOps Zero to Hero, AWS or Azure, Terraform, Python, there are at least 30 projects in this entire course. Now, if you're able to complete those projects, quite obviously you are ready for market. You can start applying for jobs because you will gain a lot of knowledge while completing that DATA. Everyone is updating to AI. As a DevOps engineer, are we need to unskill to AI? If yes, how can we do? What can we do? Dinesh, I did a playlist, AI assisted DevOps. You should go through it. So it is just like add-on for DevOps engineers. I did 12 to 13 videos there where I showed you how a DevOps engineer can upskill with AI. It's one of the best one. You can definitely go through it if you want to upskill with AI. And it's also very simple. I have simplified things. I have explained how DevOps engineers can use AI agents. I used modern frameworks like Crew AI. A lot of interesting things. Okay, I'm sure many of you have this question. Anna, how to find freelancing? It's difficult to get. I have a career gap of 2 years. I know very, I know a lot of people have this question. I will make it simple. What is freelancing? So freelancing is basically, you don't apply for any company, but you look for clients and they have some requirement. You try to complete that requirement. Now try to understand one thing. There are a lot of people who are interested in freelancing, right? So you post your profile on Upwork, you post your profile on Fiverr, you post your profile on other things. Why should client accept your profile, right? They can accept someone else's profile. So what you need to do, build the freelancing profile. Go to Upwork, create gigs, or go to Fiverr, create gigs. Show what you have done in the past. But Abhishek, I have not done anything in the past. No problem. Create a GitHub profile. In the GitHub profile, whatever you are learning, whatever you are practicing, showcase it as something that you have done in the past. So create a proper GitHub repository with some screenshots. Put that GitHub repository or project within your Fiverr gig so that people will come to your Fiverr, or you can apply for multiple things on Fiverr. People will start looking at your profile. Other thing is LinkedIn. I don't know why a lot of people don't realize the potential of LinkedIn. You can get a lot of freelancing work from LinkedIn. Personally, I've seen many people who, actively post about projects, who have to actively post about problems. If you want to be a freelancer, what you need to do? You need to post a problem, like problem statement. You need to say how you solve that problem. I'll give you one example. So you can say, let's say you learned three-tier architecture project from Abhishek Veeramalla's channel. Instead of posting, I learned this project, this is the project that I've done, these are the steps that I followed. Instead, you can say, I worked on a multi microservice architecture application for my client. The assignment was to perform the deployment of multiple microservices on Kubernetes. And this is how I solved that problem for my client. And this is a successful project. So this is how you build the freelancing profile. Build or create multiple posts, share multiple stories. Once your LinkedIn profile is ready, then people will start looking at your profile, right? Bro, using AI agents, can we able to do all things in Kubernetes? No, 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 no. See, one thing I'll tell you. End of the day, AI, whether it is large language models or traditional models, they get trained on data. Okay, large language models are something that can generate new things. LLMs can generate new things. That's why it's called generative AI. I totally understand. But they need to be trained on data. Now, when it comes to things like DevOps, where this field is continuously um, enhancing, I mean, day by day, there are new controllers on Kubernetes. Take example of Argo workflows. Take example of Argo CD, or maybe take example of Crossplane. What is an AI agent? AI agent use large language models to implement tasks on your behalf. So end of the day, they are using large language models. Now ask a large language model question about crossplane, or ask large language model a task about Pulumi. The chances is that they give the wrong answer. It can be Claude Code, or it can be uh, GPT, or it can be DeepSeek. There are many chances that they give you the wrong answer. Now, if large language model gives the wrong answer, obviously AI agent performs the wrong task. So that's why at this point, no company dare to use AI agent for their Kubernetes or for their DevOps related tasks. There are companies who use AI agents for their development tasks, because if you ask questions related to Python, or if you ask questions related to Java, large language models give the near accurate answers. So AI agents using these answers generated by large language model, they can implement the task. So in short, the answer is no. They can do things at surface level, but they cannot do everything on Kubernetes. Now, how is the market for DevOps, Abhishek? And when you are starting GCP and TCS laid off 12K employees, is it true? I happen to see that on LinkedIn. I'm not sure if it is true or false. And there is no information. Who are these employees? Like, who are these 12K employees? Are they developers? Are they DevOps engineers? Or what kind of layoff is this? Are they trying to hire people more on AI? There is not much information on it. Let's see. Um, Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we might have more information, or we might have official announcement from TCS as well. So let's wait for it. Now, your first question: when are you starting GCP? That is Google Cloud Platform. As I told you, we'll start um, in the first week of August. What I'm thinking is to start it after KubeCon, because 4th, 5th, 6th, there is KubeCon. I mean, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, because 3rd and 4th, there are events before KubeCon, SOS and other things. A lot of people might attend it, and then a lot of people definitely attend KubeCon virtually, physically. So I'm planning to start it after KubeCon so that everyone pay attention to it. So maybe the week after KubeCon, Monday, probably I'll start that. Mm, Currently, I'm a Python developer and learning DevOps also. Okay, how it would be development plus DevOps? It would not be much different. It would help you a little if you have development understanding, but it will not be a significant advantage. It will be slightly advantage. For example, someone like me, I'm a developer. I have um, great interest in DevOps, so I keep exploring a lot in the space of DevOps. I do a lot of freelancing in the space of DevOps. But when I worked for my company, I was a developer. I was a good developer. My last designation in at Red Hat was principal software engineer. So I have exposure. I mean, I have great experience in development, and I do a lot of freelancing in the space of DevOps. So together, it's a good combination. But end of the day, if you're applying for DevOps jobs, they will ask you questions related to DevOps only. They will not ask you questions related to development. And once you start working in a company, and if they don't have understanding of development, there will be places where people don't understand, okay, from where this context root is coming from, or how one microservice is interacting with other. You will have that edge when compared to only DevOps engineers. Hi Abhishek Veeramalla, can you speak on Bitnami images update? How is it going to impact the users using their charts and containers? Will charts also become private, or it is still be public? Uh, I will talk more about it because there is not much clear information on it. At this point, it will not be that good to talk about it. So even I'm looking at updates from Bitnami. Let's see how it shapes out, and definitely I'll make a video on it because if they plan to make all their Helm charts private, it will be definitely impacting because all the getting started ones, and they have a lot of important charts. So let's see. And right, if they plan to make it closed source, they can, I mean, other companies can create an open source fork of it, just like how OpenTofu is created, just like how Valk is created from Redis. So let's see. It will be interesting. I'll make a video on that. Okay, lot of questions here. Need AI MLOps project. Are you planning to do on it? Even yesterday I uploaded MLOps project. Useful content. If you go to the channel, even yesterday I uploaded it. I think last week also I uploaded one. So till now I uploaded two MLOps projects, and I'll keep uploading more. Just like we did DevOps on the channel, we will do MLOps as well. We will do AIOps as well. We did a lot of content on AIOps already. MLOps, I did two projects. I'm planning to release MLOps roadmap tomorrow, a comprehensive one, just like how we have a date roadmap for DevOps. I'm planning to create one for MLOps as well. A very comprehensive one with a mind map. And to answer your question, we did two projects already. You can check yesterday's project that was on Kubeflow. Could you please provide a voucher for CI/CD Udemy course? A voucher will be created tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, you can see the voucher. So there are members. Let's quickly acknowledge the members. Sridev, thanks for joining as a member. Mohan, thanks for joining. Praveen, thanks for joining. Anil, Chauhan, thanks for joining. Gibran, thanks for joining. And Nilesh, thanks everyone for joining as member. So you get access to our Discord server. Let me quickly show you how to use Discord. Even if others are interested, you can also see uh, what is our Discord, how to use our Discord server. I think just give me a second. I will try to share. There is some issue with sharing. Let me give it a try. Okay. Ah, my bad. Okay. I think I need to quit Firefox for that. I cannot do it because we are already in the live stream. So I'll just tell you about our Discord server. So basically, you can go to Discord, like you can install Discord, and once you install Discord, you get user settings option. Within the user setting options, you can click on connections, add YouTube as a connection, and then you will get access to our Discord server. Because we are using a YouTube integrated Discord, others cannot join. Only members of the channel can join our Discord server. And within there are lot of channels. There is a doubts channel where you can ask any kind of doubts. There is interview questions channel. There is a channel for announcements where I share a lot of announcements there about webinars and all. There is also a random channel where you can post any question that you have irrespective of the doubts, probably the concerns that you're asking in the live stream. You can also post there. There is also questions where people share about uh, interview opportunities. So, Discord server, we are maintaining it. Like we have three people at this point who are maintaining the Discord server, and we actively respond back to the questions. I'll also show you if that's possible. Placed as supported service now contract, aiming for DevOps role for the past 1 year. Should I join this or wait for a DevOps role to align with my goal? No, no. See, whenever you get an opportunity, just grab that opportunity. While you are within that company, you can look for other opportunities, but don't miss out on an opportunity. Especially ServiceNow is a very good company. So don't miss out that opportunity. Take that opportunity, and once you're there, you can start looking for other things. Yeah, this is a very good one, right, Madhav? Getting in-depth knowledge about DevOps tools, you should not be worried about layoffs. Yeah, that's a perfect one. Guru Pavan, first of all, thanks for the super chat. What way of using Argo CD will be more reliable? Using a centralized Argo cluster or having Argo deployed on every cluster? Can you explain? See, basically there are two architectures, right? Hub spoke model. Uh, it depends on your DevOps team. See, both of those architectures are very good. Only thing is that how many people you have to manage Argo CD. See, if you have a small DevOps team, you should go with the centralized model because you have Argo CD deployed on a cluster and that Argo CD is deploying application to various other clusters. So management of Argo CD becomes very simple. Imagine you have 20 clusters, you deploy 20 Argo CD instances. Along with managing Kubernetes manifest, you also have to manage the 20 Argo CD instances, right? So you have to upgrade those Argo CD instances. You have to make sure everything is working fine with those Argo CD instances. So answer is very simple. If you have a small DevOps team, and if your DevOps team is responsible for managing Argo CD, just go with centralized Argo CD model. If you have DevOps team dedicated for a engineering team, or if you have a DevOps team where each DevOps engineer is dedicated for managing a development team and you have good number of DevOps engineers, then you can go with Argo CD per cluster. But management is going to be difficult in that case. That's it. Personally, uh, like if you have a small team, I would recommend centralized Argo CD instance. Vaishnavi, like CKA or AWS certifications. Is there any certifications in AI which carries weightage? Very good question, Vaishnavi. I think a lot of people also have this question. Thanks for asking. Uh, Personally, I would say go for CKA. So if you are confused between CKA and AWS certifications, in the market, CKA or especially Kubernetes certifications have a lot of weightage when compared to AWS certifications. Reason is very simple. AWS certifications are kind of choose the correct answers, or they are multiple choice questions. Whereas Kubernetes certifications are basically more practical oriented. So companies, if you are CK certified, they have a level of confidence that okay, this person at least know how to deal with Kubernetes, and because this person is CKA certified, there are a lot of topics in CKA. I think close to 120 topics. So interviewers will be like, okay, probably this person knows a lot of things about Kubernetes, so we can give them an opportunity for the interview. You will not be hired if you have a certification, but at least you will get an opportunity. So it's like your resume has 1 point plus. That's it. Going back, CK versus AWS, go for CK certification. Okay, now, okay, I'll put the Discord server link as well. www.youtube.com/ Abhishek Veeramalla / join. Okay, so this is the link for our Discord server. By clicking on this and joining as a member of the channel, you can just head to membership, and you can head to the membership tab. I'll type again. I'll also highlight that. So you can head to the membership tab, and within the membership tab, you have the option to join as a member. Join our Discord server. What are the steps? Perfect. www.youtube.com/ Abhishek Veeramalla / join. Okay. DevOps is not for career gap people, I guess. Nowadays, company ask for PF account, etc. Only for people who are planning to shift their career DevOps suits. See, how is this related to DevOps? Let's be very frank, right? They are not asking you PF account because you want to get into a DevOps job. You are confusing the issue here. Companies are asking your PF account when you want to join their company. It doesn't matter. You might want to join as DevOps engineer, you might want to join as a developer, you might want to join as a QA engineer. Now the blocker for you is the PF account. You are confusing the issue that they are asking PF account because I want to join as a DevOps engineer. No. Okay. So now how do you address that PF account issue? There are many ways. I made video also. I keep telling people Say that you have experience in freelancing. For the past 1 2 years, you are doing freelancing because of some family reasons or because of some issues at home. You wanted to work from home, so you decided to go for freelancing. You look for clients, you got the clients, and you started doing freelancing. Then they'll not ask you for PF account. If you say you have a career gap, you are sitting at home, you have been not doing anything, then definitely they'll say that okay, why should I hire you? You have to give some reason for your career gap, right? Of course, people have reasons for career gap. Nobody wants to sit idle at home. Things are very difficult for some people. Not everyone is privileged. So we should acknowledge it. But market does not acknowledge it. Because market does not acknowledge it, you have to come with your own ways. Right? I hope I am clear. Sir, can you briefly explain SaaS, prod, and platform as role? What is it? Can you briefly explain SaaS prod and platform ops role? I did not get that question. My bad. What is SaaS prod? There is SaaS, obviously, software as a service. Platform ops, maybe I'm missing something. Okay, Vaishnavi has another question. Are there any certifications for AI? Yeah, definitely there are certifications. AWS has an AI certification. AI, it's called, I think, AWS AI practitioner. Azure also has a certification for AI, but right now they are not that credible, so ignore them. Uh, Shader, thanks for joining. Want to put more efforts to be in DevOps? Give me your wishes. My best wishes are with everyone. I want everyone on the channel to upskill. I want everyone on the channel to, uh, you know, uh, to shape better in their career in any ways. If they want to go into freelancing, if they want to get some clients, or if they want to uh, get into some software companies, MNCs. That's the motive of the channel. I want everyone to succeed in their career. So all the best to you as well, Viral Pujara. You have a very good name. Seeing the current job market, would it be advisable to do a switch? Don't worry about the market situation. Worry about, is your current position comfortable to you? Do you like your current position? If you're not comfortable with your current position, when I say comfortable, like if you want to upskill, if you want to move to a different company, it's always perfect time. Just go out, look for opportunities, start getting interview calls, start cracking interviews. Then you can decide if you want to join that company or not. First, start looking for jobs, get a job, then think if you want to switch or not. One quick question. If I want to project 3 years of experience, will your zero to hero DevOps will be sufficient along with your Udemy project? 100%. Yes. After DevOps, which one I want to learn? MLOps or machine learning? Between the two things that you asked, MLOps will be more suitable. Abhishek, can you add more projects and scenario-based questions on CI/CD for Jenkins and GitHub Actions? Definitely, Anurag. I'll take your advice. I will definitely do it. I got laid off recently due to unavailability of the project. How can I plan my interview preparation? See, you got laid off. I hope you have some notice period, even though you got laid off. Let's say you have 2 months or 3 months. Let's take two scenarios. You have time and you don't have time. One is you have 2 to 3 months. What you need to do within this 2 to 3 months, be more active, start applying for opportunities. There is no other thing. One thing is that you can say immediate joiner, so slightly better for your profile. LinkedIn now create, just keep applying. Let's say you don't have time, then you have to really worry about it, because if you have 2 to 3 months, it's good enough. If you don't have time, then there are chances, uh, if it gets delayed by 3 months or 6 months, then uh, you know you will go into that career gap category. So I would say, at least, like, you got laid off, I hope you have time. If you have time, make use of it. If you don't have time, then you have to really pace up, right? Market your profile as open to work, market your profile as immediate joiner. Start applying for a lot of companies, go to the company portals, keep applying, because you just got laid off, right? You can say 0 days to join. I recently came out of the company. I had an offer, but I couldn't go to that company, so I'm looking for opportunities. If HR calls you, you can tell that, and you can expedite. I hope your previous company who laid off, I hope they were considerate and they gave you some time. I really hope that. Hello, Anna. I'm currently doing your Ultimate DevOps project in Udemy. As I want to internally switch from FM Manager to DevOps Cloud Engineer. Very good. You will definitely able to do it. Complete that project, showcase that project within a company, and you can get an internal switch. Hmm. Aparna. So Aparna says, "Hi, can you keep another session to optimize your LinkedIn and resume?" Uh, I will definitely try. It's those sessions are little tiresome, but I will try to do it maybe sometime next month, maybe after KubeCon. I will definitely give it a try. How SRE can adopt AI for future security? Great question. So, especially for SRE engineers, if you want to adopt AI, there is something called AI Ops. So, AI Ops is basically for SRE engineers. So within your observability platform, let's say you're using Grafana Cloud, they have AIOps solution. Let's say you're using Datadog, New Relic, Dynatrace, you're using Manage Engine, anything that you're using, they have AIOps solutions. Start learning that AIOps solution, and probably that will make you future proof as SRE engineer. Okay, DCR says I've started sharing KX videos in Telugu in depth. If you want to shout out DCR Tech. If anybody is interested in learning Kubernetes in Telugu, probably you can check DCR's channel. So I mean, I haven't checked that content. I have absolutely no idea, because DCR is constantly commenting in the chat section. I want to give a shout out so that they don't spam the comment section. So I haven't gone through the content. If you're interested, you can check it. How to connect one-on-one with you, sir? You can join our Discord server, right? So on the Discord server, you have an option. Of course, you cannot message me directly, but you can share, like, you can post your query. I will definitely respond. You can just tag me on the Discord. If you don't want to interact with my team, you have a question. It can be related to your career. It can be related to what the things that you are learning. Anything, you can just tag me at the rate Abhishek Veeramalla, and I'll respond. You can tag me on any channel within the Discord server. Kiran Kumar Roja, thanks for joining as a member of the channel. Kiran, same. Narendra, thanks for joining, buddy. Multiple language option at present not showing in YouTube. Or is it? I will check. I haven't checked that. I will see on the latest video. Aminur Rahman Khan. I started a new job in DevOps and my team lead is asking me to work on the release management processes. We need detailed steps for doing release and need to version the artifacts ADO. Please guide. Okay, like I'm not sure how to guide here, but Amin Aminur Rahman, probably you can join our Discord server because technically I cannot guide you here. I cannot share the steps here. I can like join our Discord server. Probably I can share you the steps, or you can also email me. I'll just remember your name and I'll try to probably respond back to you on email because there are multiple steps for the question that you asked. Release management process and how do you version your releases in ADO, that is Azure DevOps. Trivi, GitLeak, SonarCube, OWASP, please make video on these tools. Actually, Aniket, I'm making a video on something called Shift Left. Shift Left is like, it's a pioneer of all of these things. So they have an integrated platform which covers most of these things like vulnerability scanning, CV scanning. So I'm actually recording a video on that. Good that you asked. I will definitely share that things. Perfect. I'll see you there. Mhm. Please make a video on Azure DevOps pipeline. Oh God. Siyog, you should check our Azure Zero to Hero series. We have a very comprehensive Azure DevOps pipeline. You should definitely check that. It's very, very interesting. Like day 14 and day 15 of Azure Zero to Hero series, I still remember because it took me a lot of time to make those videos. It's one of the most comprehensive Azure DevOps pipeline on YouTube. I did it in two parts because CI CD I broke it down into two parts and I did it. You should definitely check that. MLOps full series, please. Definitely after GCP Zero to Hero. I will do it. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm uploading some content on the channel. I'm trying to educate people on MLOps because if I directly start making videos on MLOps, a lot of people don't understand. That's why I slowly started making explaining what is MLOps, what is AOps. I started explaining what is Kubeflow. At least people will get familiarized with these words, and then I can start with MLOps zero to hero. Right? In the meanwhile, we will complete GCP zero to hero on the channel. It will start right after KubeCon. It will be done in a month, and then we will do MLOps zero to hero. Okay. Regarding your project is observability and monitoring. No, no, we have different project for observability and monitoring. Just search for observability zero to hero. For the same project, I have done it, but observability is a very lengthy one. So what I did was instead of adding that to the same project, I did a dedicated playlist for observability. So there are 7 videos in it, and it is the same project. So you can go through that. Are you planning to make any videos on Gen AI, any integration with modern DevOps practices? Bharat, I did an entire playlist. It's called AI Assisted DevOps. It's basically Gen AI thing. So I did 12 videos on it. You can go through it. Unfortunately, a lot of people, when I did that playlist, a lot of people were not uh, interested in Gen AI because at that time, right now, Gen AI is the keyword. People are worried that Gen AI is going to replace jobs. So now everyone wants to learn Gen AI. I think I did some, at the time I did that playlist, it was not market ready. Anyways, you can search for AI assisted DevOps. It's completely Gen AI for DevOps instance. Yeah, I think at that point it was ahead of the market time. Naveen, thanks for joining. And Lekana Vemuri, thanks for joining. Can you make more videos on Azure DevOps? Okay, sure. Lot of questions today. Hi Abhiyana, I'll become one of your Monday motivation subjects very, very soon. Oh, that's very nice to hear, Naveen. When you say very, very soon, I hope that something is already in progress, something is already in pipeline. So I wish you all the best. And yeah, everyone, you can share your success stories to my email, or you can drop a message to my LinkedIn, or even you can tag me at the red LinkedIn. I will post them on the YouTube channel. Others get inspired. I think because of that inspiration, especially Monday motivation posts, a lot of people have seen that they got the confidence that they can also get into DevOps. And today, at least from this channel, from this channel, at least I have screenshots as well. At least 1,000 people were able to get into DevOps and cloud. It's a super proud thing. I feel very, very happy when I say that. I don't want to sell anything by saying that number. In fact, I never sold anything by saying that, 1,000 people got into DevOps from my channel or 500 people got into DevOps from my channel. But it's just a proud thing to say that, you know, from this channel, a lot of people were able to start their career into DevOps and cloud. That's it. It's just a happy thing to say. That's it. Thanks, Mohan. Hi, Abhi, can you please do some podcast with people? Can we get an idea about the path? Okay, it's been some time we haven't done any podcasts. I'll do some podcasts, yeah. I'll try to look for some people on LinkedIn and I'll do it. Oh, there seems to be an interesting question. Should I choose a support role in top product company or DevOps role in a small firm? What matters more, company brand or the role fit? Oh, this is a very interesting question, right? And it's very subjective to people as well. Like because you asked this question, I will talk from my point of view. Okay. Now, people have different opinions because some people prefer company, some people prefer job. As I told you, this is my point of view. I would prefer DevOps role in a small company. I would not worry a lot about the company unless it's Google or Microsoft or something. Uh, because if you get the role, in future you can look for that top company as well, right? Let's say you get into like you are interested in DevOps and you get into DevOps role in a small company. The advantage is that you learn a lot of things, and once you get proper hands-on experience, then again you can try for that top product company, or if not that company, you get into alternatives of that company. Personally, when I had offers with Microsoft and Red Hat, I did not go for Microsoft, but I went for Red Hat. Obviously, Microsoft is a better company. Microsoft pays a lot, but my interest was to get into the open source space. Uh, at that point, I was amateur in open source. I was doing something, but I wanted to get into open source. I want to explore the space more. I want to build network. I want to get a lot of contacts in cloud native space. So I choose open source. I choose that company, and today I'm very happy about that decision. So I would say go for the role more than the company. But again, this is my opinion. Thanks, Dinesh. Mm, did I lose the connection? Okay, I hope not. Let's see. Buddy, can you upload more projects either in YouTube or Udemy since many companies are expecting hands-on experience? On YouTube, I'm constantly uploading projects because a lot of people are asking about new projects. I'm also uploading more content on new things like MLOps, DevOps, SRE. I'll keep uploading more projects as well. Okay. Not Udemy, I'll keep uploading on YouTube itself. Because when it comes to projects, we have one project on Udemy already. I will upload something on YouTube so that more projects on YouTube so that people get benefited out of it. My friend just joined here. He's currently working in startup company which does not have any PF or anything. He tried with many companies, but because of not having a PF salary slip, he cannot crack. I mean, if that company does not provide PF, even salary slip, I doubt if that company is even registered. Because of that, your friend might be finding it difficult. It's very simple. You know, ask that whichever company your friend work for, ask that company to share at least some freelancing certificate or something, at least certificate. Not if they can't share PF, if they can't share salary slip, at least ask them to write some acknowledgement on LinkedIn, recommendation on LinkedIn, and share some experience certificate so that your friend, has genuinely something to talk about. Because if that company does not have a PF, if that company does not have a salary slip, I doubt even if that company is even registered. Next Udemy course, Anna, any plans? I will announce whenever I have some plans because right now I'm doing GCP Zero to Hero series. Once that is over, we will plan for some Udemy course. I will make some announcement soon. I mean, once we are done with GCP Zero to Hero, because we will go step by step, right? We cannot do multiple things at once. Vipun, I am from Sri Lanka. I request you to a full video tutorial on CI/CD. All are included in DevOps. Buddy, we have done a lot of videos on that. Just go to our real-time DevOps playlist. You will find that on the YouTube channel. Just go to that playlist and you will find a lot of things. At least you will find 5 to 10 projects for the request that you are asking for. It's okay, you might have not seen it. So just go to the channel, look for playlist section, look for real-time DevOps playlist, and you will find those videos. Mhm. Okay, so I think I think we spent close to 1 hour, just close to 1 hour on the live stream. There's still some requests. If you haven't got the opportunity, or if I did not answer your question, don't worry. We do these live streams every month. Sorry, every week, not every month. My bad. Every week, we usually do it on Wednesday. Last time and this time we did on Thursday, but going ahead, we will be doing it on Wednesdays. One more thing, if you want, you can connect to me on Discord. Just click on the join button. You cannot see the join button if you're logging in from mobile, or if you're watching this video from mobile. Go to your laptop, watch any video on the channel, you will find the join button. Even if you go to the channel, you will get the join button. Click on the join button, head to the memberships tab. You will find a tab called memberships. There you will find steps to join our Discord server. Join our Discord server. You can personally connect to me. You can talk to me. I mean, through one of the channels, you can ask your question. Not personally, but you can you can tag me and you can ask your question. Rest assured, I will answer your question. It can be anything. It can be related to DevOps, it can be related to your career, or it can be completely related to any question, like anything that you're stuck while you are doing a task in your company. We even answer that questions. So this is about the live stream. Thank you so much. See you all in the next live stream. Take care. Bye bye, everyone.